Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my November kit lineup. So let's go ahead and take a look at the kits I'll be using this month. Okay, so I've already planned out my November dashboard and monthly spread. And so so I did those before I got a chance to film this video. And for this, I did use a dashboard kit from the Sweet Planner, which was so much fun to plan with. This might be, at the moment, this is definitely my favorite dashboard of the year. I just love the bold, rich autumn colors and all of the deco elements. This came out so pretty. And then for my November kit, I actually did not use a kit for my November monthly spread. I just grabbed some deco stickers and threw it all together and created a monthly spread. And I really love the way this came out. So that is all done. Let's go ahead and get into the kits that we'll be using for our weekly. So we have 4 weeks of spreads, and then of course the last week is going to be our Thanksgiving kit. So for the first one, there is a theme for my kits for this month, which I did not necessarily do on purpose. And I sat down and started looking at the kits and realized that they all had a book theme to them. So this first kit is called Bookworm, and it is by My Spoiled Planner, which I'm super excited about. I got a chance to use one of her kits back in May and was one of my favorite spreads. I had so much fun planning with it. I was like, I have got to use another kit from My Spoiled Planner. Nope, I was wrong. It wasn't May. It was actually June. And it was this spread, which sadly I did not film, which is why it's not on my YouTube channel. And so, which is another reason why I was like, okay, I've got to get another kit from her, because I got a lot of questions about people wanting to see a plan with me for this. And since I didn't get a chance to, I mean, obviously it's not the same kit, but it's the same format. And I'm really excited to plan with this Bookworm kit. So let's take a look at it. Like all of the kits for this month, it is foiled in rose gold foil. I love this scallop detail on the bottom washi because I have a washi length foil strip from Sadie Stickers in that exact same design. So I'll be able to pull that in and that'll coordinate and look so cute. In addition to the fact that she's got some like garland things happening, and I've got some autumn themed garlands from Sadie Stickers as well, that I think I'll be able to pair with this and will look really cute. She does this really awesome functional page, which gives a lot of great shaped boxes. And then this page, which has lots of fantastic boxes as well. So, and I think actually I thought it was the same kit format, but this I think is new. I feel like there weren't all of these like fancy boxes and midi boxes the last time I used one of her kits, but that's super exciting. So this is where I plan to start, and then it did come with one deco sheet. Now here's the interesting thing, because I was looking at this deco and realized that the rustic deco from Alyssa's Craft Shop is the exact same deco. When you look at the leaf design, that is the exact same deco. It's scaled down a little bit more for the Alyssa's Craft Shop ones, and this one leans much more like orange yellow, and then this one leans a little more lilac purple, which is super interesting. But I was looking at it and I was like, I feel like this could work. So I definitely will be pulling in these deco pieces from Alyssa's Craft Shop because I simply have more of them. I only have one sheet of deco from that matches perfectly with the kit, and then I have 3 of these. What I might end up doing is making these sort of my primary florals and then mixing these in a little bit more sparingly so that this feels like it was the thing that was meant to go with it. Because if you look at some of the other colors in the kit, it definitely pulls in and doesn't clash at all. I feel like it can kind of look like it clashes when you just put it right next to this one, but when you just pair it with the kit itself, it could work. For our second week, we have the Evergreen kit from Two Little Bees. And this was a kit that I originally thought I was going to use in December. And when I started noticing this whole book theme that I have going on for November, I was like, whoa, Evergreen would totally fit in with what's happening for this month. So with Evergreen, I love this full box with all of the books on it. This is going to be a really fun sort of color shift because this leans so heavily into the green, which is a color I don't know that I've used anything this green in a while. I feel like I've had kits that have had green in them, but I feel like when I put this on the page, this spread is going to feel very, very green. I also have this washi trim from Paper Trail Plans that is the exact same florals and perfect color match to this, and I want to see if this is something that makes sense to pull into this spread, but I don't want to overwhelm myself sometimes. And that's the one thing I'm learning because as my collection has continued to grow and grow, because I buy too many stickers, but that's a topic for another day. But as my collection continues to grow, what I am learning is that whereas I used to have the challenge of feeling like I didn't have enough stickers to do what I want, sometimes I feel like now I have so many stickers that it can be a little bit overwhelming if I pull out too much stuff and try to do too many things at once. As I talk about my kit lineup, with it being so early in the month, as things happen, sometimes things change. I think this might be the month where I don't expect too much change though, especially because I have this whole book theme going through the month for the first 3 weeks, which I really love, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. This is Burgundy Stories from Sadie Stickers. Easily one of my favorite kits that she has released this year. I absolutely am obsessed with this. This is my collab sign from Sadie Stickers, and this is in Burgundy, and I used it on the November dashboard, but it just dawned on me this is called Burgundy Stories, and I was like, hey, I got a sign called Burgundy, and this would look so good with this. So super excited about that. I did not think about that until just now, but loving this. God, I'm obsessed with the images. This double full box is everything. So in love with this, I have no words. And then this girl on the bicycle, and it's an overhead shot. I love bicycles in kits, in full boxes. And I don't think I've ever had a full box image that had a bicycle in it that was an overhead shot like this of a girl on the bike. This is absolutely my favorite full box. Which is crazy because, I mean, look how awesome this double full box is. And I also love the little typewriter. So stunning. Just so stunning. I fall in love with this kit over and over every time I see it. Oh, I really love that she brought in the wood grain. Oh, so amazing. Oh, God. I love the brick detail there. Oh, I have 3 of the floral sheets. She has recently made a change to her kit format, and so now these are separated, which makes me so happy because as much as I love all of these awesome little fancy boxes, and what I'll probably do with this because I have so many of these and having 3 of the sheets, I might play around and do like a full-on custom with the date covers. I did it once before with this bookworm kit, where I played around with all of the little fancy boxes that come on her deco sheets. And I didn't get a chance to film this spread either. I haven't shown this on my YouTube channel yet, this technique of playing around with date cover deco. So I might do that with this spread because I've got plenty of the signs. So I'm able to, signs, little fancy boxes. One of the things that I did not do or haven't done in this video yet, and it's not like I'm moving away from it, but as you can see, I haven't pulled my little fashion dolls to match my kits yet because I am learning it is really hard to do that until the week of. Trying to know which doll I want to use before I sit down for that week is kind of hard to pick. And I feel like I kept changing my mind. And then I also literally the morning that I am filming this video, I just placed another order with Red Lyrics this morning. So I've got new fashion dolls coming in anyways. So I'm definitely going to change my mind. So I'm just going to wait and week by week figure out what fashion doll should go with each kit. Last but not least in my kit lineup for the week of Thanksgiving, or I should say American Thanksgiving, because Canadian Thanksgiving is in October. So before us Americans, ours is in November. And I have this fantastic kit from Miss and Meow, which I love this kit so much. And I did not, it's funny because it feels really special to me. This was a collaboration kit between Miss and Meow and Foil and Lace, and I wasn't a part of the collaboration, but this was a part of the summer planner collab in the giveaway that we had, in which Foil and Lace won the opportunity to create a collab kit with Miss and Meow, which was so exciting and one of my favorite things that I got a chance to do this year, hosting the summer planner collab and including that in it. So this kit makes me so happy, and I'm really excited to get a chance to plan with it. It is beyond gorgeous. The colors are fantastic, and I just think this is going to be so beautiful. And I love that it says grateful. Definitely works for Thanksgiving, but also works just as an autumn kit. It's not Thanksgiving specific, but for me, I felt like I think I want this for my Thanksgiving kit because I just really like that. So that is the route I'm going. It feels a little non-super traditional Thanksgiving, which makes me feel like edgy and cool and whatnot. Just kidding. I am never edgy or cool, but my planner spread is going to be super cute because this kit is awesome. So those are my 4 kits for November. Thank you all so much for watching. I would love to know what kits you'll be using for the month of November. So you can go ahead and leave that in the comments below, or if you share things on Instagram and you want to share it on Instagram and tag me, I would love that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.